This air-fried falafel recipe is going to change the way you look at healthy food forever. You gotta save this recipe for later, and all you need is to soak some chickpeas overnight, rinse the water, and then blend them coarsely into a coarse, chunky sort of consistency. Set aside, and to the same blender add some fresh coriander, some homemade sesame seed butter. Yes, we have some bodhi green sesame seed butter, some cayenne pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, garlic paste, baking powder, baking soda, some salt, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and some onion. A little bit of water for blending. Now blend it into a smooth, creamy paste. Mix it with the coarse ground chickpeas and add to it some chickpea flour, some besan. Now wet your palm and take just a little bit of the falafel batter and shape it exactly this way into a ball. Now bake them at 220 degrees for 16 minutes and voila, you got the best air-fried falafels, which are crunchy from the outside and still soft from the inside. Do try this recipe and let me know how it comes out.